Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to check the devices we use to log in with our Facebook account. Normally, we will use different devices like Android phones or laptops or desktops in office or home to log in to our Facebook. Facebook tracks wherever we logged in, so we can see every device logged into our account. Suppose we logged into our Facebook account on our friend's computer or on internet cafe or somewhere else, and you are not sure if you are logged out, or let's assume our account is hacked and someone is using that, and we want to find any unfamiliar devices or locations in Facebook. If they found, we can end those sessions from our current one to protect our account safety. To do that, simply follow the steps showing in this tutorial. Log into the Facebook. Click on down arrow showing in top right corner of the Facebook. After notifications, come to settings and privacy, and in the pop-up options, please select settings. In the left panel, choose security and login, and in right panel, come to where you are logged in section. Here we will get the top 2 devices from where we stay logged in the most. And to see the complete list of devices, click on see more option below the mentioned devices, and notice that Facebook provides data about location, device or browser used, and the last accessed date or time for every active login session. And we will get the option to log out of selected devices. Click on 3 dots. Here it is showing not you and logged out options. And if you are sure that you are not logged with your Facebook account into this device, simply we can click on log out option. And if we want to log out from all of them at once, come to the bottom of the devices list and click on log out of all sessions. Then it will log out all of our login sessions in all the devices. Like this, we can check the devices we used to log in with our Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.